Stock number 413130. It is a 2016 Toyota Corolla. It does not have a key. You see the front bumper is no good, the hood's no good, headlights are no good, the grille's no good, the radiator's damaged, the radiator core support's bent. Actually, the radiator core support is actually good. You can see the passenger fender's no good. Passenger door looks good. Side view mirror looks good. Deck lid looks good. This quarter panel over here is no good. This back door has some dents in it. Driver door needs the little key lock. It's got a paint problem on the bottom. There got a paint problem too. The front fender's no good. It does not have a key. Back door don't open. Seats are manual. This is stock number 413130. It's a 2016 Toyota Corolla. It does not have a key.